Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. This car here, we have right side headlight on all the time. And what I believe is that we have power, even if we disconnect it here, we have power that is energized by the body control module and is coming here all the time, you see? That's why the signal light is on. Also, inside the headlight, if you notice, all the wires in the headlight are corroded. Where they are, you see they corrode and they touch each others. You see they burn. So it's not healthy even to put those wires to work on those. Even that means inside the head, the whole headlight have to be replaced, because if you put another, if you change that BCM there and you put here, you may get the same problem again. Which wire is that they're giving this? Let me see,
Turn
the
signal.
big turn signal. So right now maybe we need to get the, we can isolate it a little bit and we plug it and we see if the headlight is working. We're gonna disconnect the turn signal. Okay, so what we're gonna do? Just let's disconnect this one and put it, at least they can get their headlight high
Let's see
beam.
if it works. Let's see if the...
What do you disconnect now?
No, I connect the back.
Huh?
I connect the back.
So, but we have power there. You connect it back? Nothing is working. That means this headlight have to, at least the signal is supposed to work. Here. You connect it back? No, yeah, you see now it never goes. So just, even the headlight is not working. So we need something here. No, the headlight also doesn't work.
The rest of the bulb is out, but
Yeah, but this one here, you touch it, we're gonna burn something. You better just leave it. The headlight itself inside is no good.
no, the bulb is not good.
The bulb also is gone.
Let's get a bulb and try.
Okay.
H7.
So we're gonna get a new bulb. We're gonna put it in, and then we let's disconnect the signal completely.
Yeah, I disconnected already. I disconnected.
Okay. Oh, from the bottom. Okay. So I gotta go get this one. What about this?
No, this is okay.
That one is not working. Yeah. Is there any way you
The
can see?
parking light is not working.
See,
That's the bulb. That's a little bulb.
check it. If you need a bulb, I go get it. If you need a bulb, I go get it. One time. And then
This is something. Because the
not the headlight. That is a small one.
yeah, I want to try something right away, right now.
Or you want to check the?
Yeah, because they're both the same thing.
Or for the headlight, for low beam. Maybe that also is bad.
No, you gotta cycle the switch.
Okay.
This is something. Good check.
Let me cycle it for you. Huh? It's on. It's on. It's on now. So we're gonna put that one. Let me turn it off. You want me to get a light, one light bulb for
Let me check this one.
the small one?
Parking light.
Okay.
They all below, man.
Check all, huh?
They all below.
They messed it up, right? That one also messed up, right? The wire, I see all the wire is like, touching each other, and maybe that's, oh my goodness. So we're gonna separate it now. You're gonna take the small one out? Somebody worked there, I believe.
out too.
They dry.
Gave me HD7, H7,
This
and
is
194.
So this, I'm gonna go them.
Those two. Let me see if I can fix the. Or two.
This one we close it, right?
Yeah, get this one too.
This is crazy stuff. Okay. And this one you can close it, right?
Hmm?
You can close this one.
What do you mean?
We're gonna close this one. We don't.
Yeah,
need
yeah,
to-
yeah. We don't have to worry about it.